Yes, and you. Okay, okay. Who is absent today? Okay, thank you. Okay, Constantine, listen. Let's play a game. Plus M and M. Okay? Now take only one M and M. Here, take one M. One. Only one, yes? Here now. Uh-huh. Now, by the color of your M&M, you should speak about this topic. For example, blue. Who has blue M&M? Okay, you should speak about your hobby. Now,
My hobby is drawing and listening to music and watching K-dramas. When I draw, I feel better myself and it's better to avoid negative thoughts.
oh, very good. Next, who has green vacation? Green MM? We'll speak about vacation. Okay.
I have been on my vacations and I love good times with friends and family. And then getting ready is my getting ready to school.
Get into schools. Okay, very good. Who has brown MM? Okay. You say wish.
I wish my classmates good work and happiness for today's lesson.
Oh, thank you very much. Very good. And who has yellow MM? We'll speak about family or friends. Who has yellow MM? Yellow.
No.
No?
Nobody.
Nobody else? Oh, next, orange color. Favorite place. Favorite. Who has orange color MM? Okay. Why? Mm-hmm. No? Nobody? Okay. Red color then. Mm-hmm.
My favorite food is noodle soup.
Noodle soup. Mm-hmm. Okay. Your?
My favorite food is pizza because pizza most delicious.
Delicious food, yeah. Okay, maybe you wanted to say about hobby or vacation, wish or family. You can say now. Who else? Please, that your color. All red. Food, yes.
My favorite food is Asian food. It's not healthy, but it's delicious. I like it.
But not healthy, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Orange meat.
Orange?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite place is Amatatawa. Amatatawa because it's
My hobby is learning language Python.
Learning languages. Fine. Okay. Thank you very much. So I want to divide you into 3 groups today. Please take only one number. Now here. One number. Any. Maybe one. It's for you. Now, who has one? Who is one will be in the first group. Who has 2 will be in the second group. And who has 3 in the third group. Now, take your places. Okay? We should pay assessment we have. Now I will give you evaluation paper. For example, you evaluate Inkar and Inkar will evaluate you. Okay? Now you should write your names here. Do you understand? Okay. Here evaluation paper. Now there are tasks. So look, pre-reading task matching, high score, average, low, and then your students score here. Okay, you should write. And while reading task, 5 down question is one of these tasks. Okay, and complete the sentences. And after reading task, you should describe picture. It means picture speak. Okay, and total your points and your scores here. At the end of the list, I will ask. You scores to your pair. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Any questions? No questions, yes? Okay. Now, look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? Environment,
Trees,
nature, air pollution maybe, yes?
yes.
What else?
Problems
Problems of what?
environment.
Environment, atmosphere, yeah? And how do you think? Can you guess the topic of our today's lesson then? What are we going to talk
Maybe
about?
the environment.
Yes, of course.
Problems.
Yes, you're right. You're greatly right. Today we want to speak about environment, and our today's objectives lesson use imagination to express thoughts, ideas, experiences, and feelings. Then we should use formal and informal language registers and talk in a wide range of general and curricular topics. It means we should use our speaking, all our skills. Yes. Okay. Next. Now. Right now, I will show you a video. Sorry. Now, today is our new topical vocabulary. First, recycle. It means process things such as bottles or sheets of paper so they can use again. Yes? Recycle kayta 문제. Next, reuse. It means you use the same again instead of throwing it away. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, then let's do this task. Pre-reading task is matching the words with their definitions. First, this is group work, and I'll give you such kind of papers. Now look, this is group work. Take this, and you should match the words with their definitions, matching. Now, where you have to start the word start, you should start there and match their words with their definitions. Let's do it on the left. You have 2 minutes to do it. You have 2 minutes. Now let's do it. If you have finished it, please clap your hands. Matching, using words with their definitions. Oh, good, very good. Okay, are you ready to check up your answers? Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Please finish it. Okay? You have finished?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Let's check up your answers. Air pollution. What is it? Air pollution. Now, Daniel, can you read?
Air pollution.
Read your sentence. Now, your answers. Harmful. Damage. Correct?
Yes.
Correct? Okay, the second one. Water pollution. What is water pollution? Yes, Valmur?
Water pollution to pollute rivers, lakes, and the seas with chemicals.
Chemicals. Yes, you're right. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, the third one. Endangered species. Please, Asimai.
It's a population of animals, plants, or other organisms that is in danger of becoming extinct.
Extinct. Okay. What is rubbish?
Rubbish.
Uh-huh.
things of what materials
Such as?
loose acid, paper, and tins and bottles and what food.
Okay, correct? Correct. Just band.
To
Uh-huh,
prohibit
please. To prohibit the use. Save. Balloon.
Rescue from danger of possible harm.
Harm. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
To punish with money.
To punish with money. Raise. The last word. Asimaj.
To move to a higher position.
Yes, I feel correct. Now, thanks for your answers. So, let's do, you may evaluate to your pair work, okay? Okay? Put your scores. And now, let's watch a video about according to our today's topic.
To learn how to talk about these challenges, we will discuss threats to the environment, their causes, and possible solutions. Probably the biggest threat to the environment is global warming. Let's look at the causes and what we can do about it. Burning fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas, releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases then get trapped in the atmosphere. This layer of gases trap in heat radiating up from the Earth. This causes the planet to get hotter. We call this the greenhouse effect because it is similar to how a greenhouse works. Wildlife is losing its habitat. We should protect the rainforests. Landfills emit greenhouse gases. We should reduce, reuse, and recycle. The 3 R's. These are probably the greatest things we can do to help protect the environment. Reduce. It would be better for the environment if we reduce the amount of things we buy and use. It would also save us money. Reuse.
Questions for you according to the video. Now be careful. 5 double questions according to the video. Now first question is, what is the environment? What is the environment? Can you answer this question?
Environment is natural animals and persons.
Yes, natural worlds of animals and plants and human beings. Yeah, maybe. And what else?
Environment is our planet.
Our planet, yes. Where we live, yes. Okay, next question. What environmental problems do you know? What kind of? Yes, Banu? Air pollution, yes. Ocean pollution, water pollution, rubbish, burning, yes. What else? Water pollution, yes.
Oceans.
You have told it. And endangered species of what? Animals, plants, yes. Ice melting, yes. Animals extinct, yes. You may see. Okay. The third question: what do you do to help prevent pollution?
To use usable bags.
Useful bags, yeah. Reusable bags, yeah. We see. And okay.
We can drive more efficient cars.
Yes, more efficient cars and
we shouldn't throw the garbage on the ground.
yes, of course. And
Plant more trees.
more trees, yeah, like every year.
Save water and energy.
Yes, save water wherever we are. Yeah? Maybe we are at home or at school, yes, anywhere. Now the fourth question: what are some things we should recycle? Can you name it, please? Metal, paper,
plastic.
bottles. Just raise your hand, yeah? Bottles, yeah? Please don't shout, of course, just raise your hand, okay? Okay, the last question. What do we mean by 3 R's? Can you name it, Lucia?
Recycle, reuse, reduce.
Reduce, yes. Remember it, okay? You may put your scores to your pairs, okay? Here, right here. Just evaluate, yes, to each other. Now, the second task is from your workbook. Now, exercise 3, page number 22. The task is you should read the sentences first of all, and then you should complete the sentences with these words. Use prevent, save, raise, reduce, ban, fine, invest. These are words which you have talked before. Okay. Now this is group work. I will give you. You should do it together. Okay. Again. Now second group is for you, and third group. I will give you maybe 3 minutes, yes, to do it. Do you need so first group, give your papers to the second group. Second group to the third group, and third group to the first group, yeah? Because we are going to check up your answers. Correct answers now. The correct answers, look. Check your answers.
Yeah, say.
Now, first group will check up and say how many mistakes do they have, yes? Okay, who is ready? Who is ready? Who is ready? You are ready, yeah? So, you have checked what group? First group, yeah? How many mistakes do they have?
Second group.
Second group. Second group. How many mistakes do they have? They have 2 mistakes. Yes? Okay. And what about other groups? You have 2 mistakes they have, yes? Now, first group. First group, how many mistakes? 2. 2 also, 2 mistakes, yes? Okay. And third group, also 2 mistakes, yes? Be careful. And let's read one by one these sentences, okay? Now, please, read. Now, first sentence. Okay?
The best way to stop the polar ice caps
Shrinking.
is to save energy.
Okay, what is save energy in Kazakh? Save energy.
Энергияны сақтау.
Okay, next. Nursia, please.
You should find factories that don't use alternative methods of disposal.
Yes, what does it mean? Just find factories.
Find factories. İleri faktörler
Not factory. Factory.
kullanıyor.
Zavutlara. Okay. Third one, Ayman.
To fight climate change, we can reduce the amount of electricity.
Yes. Reduce the amount of electricity. What does it mean?
Enerjini azaltıyor.
Fourth, please, Murzakul Balman.
We can prevent the hole from getting bigger by not buying aerosol sprays that use KFCs.
What does it mean? Slova, what word? Prevent, yes?
Prevent.
The hole.
Prevent, translate.
Prevent is aldın alу.
Aldın alу.
Prevent.
Fifth one, Balman.
The government showed bank cards from the city center. Then Apple Kurteliye Apple Savu.
Okay, good. Now sixth one, Bir Hanım.
Government needs to invest in wind power and solar energy projects.
Yes, what is invest? Invest. Yes. Now this last sentence, who is Azam? Can you read?
We ought to raise money for charities that run
Conversation.
conservation projects.
Yes. What is raise money for charities?
Charities that run
Hayırlı Kuvvetli ya. Good. Well done. Very good. Here you should look at the picture and then you should describe it using maybe this statement. Now, first, this is a question. Just what should we do or shouldn't do to save our planet, our environment where we live? Okay. Now, you may use should or shouldn't or your just opinion about the picture. I will show you a picture one by one. Just raise your hand and describe it. Okay. Now, and first picture. What can you say about the picture, Nazia?
In my opinion, we should plant more trees, more
Lands, yes, and the streets, in our garden maybe, yeah. And what we should do? What is he doing? Water it, yeah. Water every day, yes. To take care. Now in the second picture, who wants and just raise your hand, please, okay?
We should take care of animals.
To take care of animals, yeah. Especially what kind of animals? Endangered animals. Okay. Next, what can you see in this picture, and what can you say about it? For example, first picture, Azamat.
We should recycle the garbage.
What kind of things we can recycle?
Plastic,
metal,
paper,
bottles. Yes. And we should put it in each containers, yeah? Where paper, glass, organic materials, metal, and plastic materials, yeah? This kind of containers. And the second picture, Aydana.
We should save water.
How we can save water?
Use this.
Yes, less of water, yeah? At home, maybe anywhere, yes? We have solved it. Okay. Next picture.
We should
We should save energy.
Electricity.
Yeah.
Yes. And what about the second picture, Lucia?
you should with petrol or just walk.
Just walk, yeah?
Yes.
It's because it's
healthy.
helpful and good for our
Air and
health,
water.
yeah? Health, yes. And use only efficient cars, yes?
Yes.
And we should ban the cars in the city.
Yes, in the center, yeah, we should ban cars, yes, and just walk, yeah, it's very good for our health. For today's lesson, for Green Smile, if you understand the whole lesson, our today's topic, and if you take the blue color of smile, here you have some maybe difficulties or you have some questions, yeah. And the last red color of smile, you don't understand. Just tick your. Now, what kind of three new words did you learn from today's lesson?
New word.
New words or new things?
Recycle.
Okay,
It's
three words you have learned.
recycle.
Reduce. What about you? What kind of new words did you learn today? Қандай үш жаңалық жаңа сөз үйрендің?
find factories and
Prevent.
Prevent.
raise
Prevent, raise, and inject.
Okay.
and
Did you have? Well done.
Tolman has got 9 points.
9 points. Yeah.
Asem has got 8 points.
8 points. Yeah. Okay. So I have some questions for you. Just conclude our lesson here. Daniel, what kind of environmental problems did you learn from our today's lesson?
Air pollution,
Rubbish.
water pollution, ocean pollution.
Okay, what kind of problems do you have in our country? Ecological problems, maybe environmental problems. In our country,
Air pollution.
the most how to say, important problem. Animals extinct, yes, you may say, and
Rubbish.
rubbish, yeah.
And the water pollutions.
And air pollution.
What in what regions of our country can you see these problems?
It's maybe ocean pollution and water pollution.